Umboniso 4, scene 4, takes place eNgqolosi, kulo NomaMpondomise, at NomaMpondomise's home, where kufika abantu bakulo Mcunukelwa, where the family of Mcunukelwa, he being isoka lika NomaMpondomise, he being NomaMpondomise's fiance, beze kuphuthuma inkomo, and they have come to fetch the cattle, their cattle, emva kokwaliwa konyana wabo, after their son has been rejected NomaMpondomise, by NomaMpondomise. Ulangeni, that is now NomaMpondomise's father, uyasothuka isenzo sentombi yakhe. He is shocked at his daughter's deed. A boy comes and says, Tata, kukho abantu abahleli phaya ngasebuhlanti. Tata, there are some people sitting over there near the kraal. Gabapi, and where are they from? Andazi, I don't know. Gamadoda amabini nenkwenkwe, 2 men and a boy. Ahamba ngamahashe, on horseback. Langeni goes to them. Yeni sanibona, greetings noZulu. Yeni, goodness, kuphunywa phi ekuseni kangaka? And where have you come from at such an early stage, so early in the day? Kunjengoko usazi Jola, as you well should know, Jola. Uthini nangoku noZulu, and what are you saying? Ukwazi ntoni? Know what? Uthetha ukuba akuyazi into esiyizeleyo? Are you saying that you do not know into esiyizeleyo, what we have come for? Hayi Jola, sukuzenza ongena ngqondo. Don't pretend to be silly, to have no mind, unayo, while you have one. In other words, don't be silly whilst you are in actual fact intelligent. Nathi usenza abantwana ngoku, you are now treating us like children. Inene noZulu, indeed, I promise you. Nyani, andazi konke, I know nothing, of no reason why ngobukho benu apho, of why you are here. Ngobukho benu, about your presence here. Jola, Gokufuchane, in short, briefly, Silapa, we are here. Gokubizwa yintombi yako, having been summoned by your daughter, who said, Emfaneni wetu, to our son, Mageze kuphuthuma inkomo zakhe, that he must come and fetch his cattle. Aw, wakhoza Jola kutheni? You exclaimed, Jola, why? Sisimanga nyani, this is very strange. Andiyazi le nto, I don't know anything about it. Yiloo nto Jola, but it's true. Kunjalo nje, and at the same time besingathanda, we would appreciate it ukuba if singabi sa libazisana, if we do not waste each other's time. Biza wena intombi yakho, call your daughter, ize nentonga, to bring a stick so that she can chase out these cattle. And when a young man's people come to repossess the cattle that have been paid for as lobola, the girl in question has to personally drive the cattle out of the kraal, and her father hands her a stick for this purpose. And that's why this Mchitwa says, call your daughter so that she can bring a stick to chase these cattle out. Hi, my daughter, just hang on. Kanilinde kancinci, just wait a bit. Ndibize amawetu, that I can call our elders. Ake aze kuzivela esi simanga, so that they can hear this about the strange about these strange doings for themselves. Kaloku umntwana asingowam ndedwa. You know, as you know, the child is not really mine only. Njengoko ayekho ukusekwa kwale ndlu, makayibone xa isiwa. And because they were here when this home was established, makayibone xa isiwa. Let them also see, let them also witness when it falls, when it collapses. Msikerwa says, Jola, ngati iyakuba nde loo nto. I think that's going to take a long time. It's going to be long, that thing. Tina asizimiselanga kuxoxa, and we were not really prepared to have a discussion. Noko yinto eqhelekileyo. It is nonetheless a customary thing for a girl xa ijibilikile, when she has changed her mind, to chase out the cattle. Akukho nyala kuloo nto. There's nothing disgraceful or scandalous about that. Lisiko elidala, it's an old custom. Akunakuncedwa ukufa kwebhokhwe isezwa. The death of a goat whilst it's being fed cannot be helped. Mhlawumbi yimisebenzi kaThixo le. Perhaps this is God's work. Hayi inkosi, no gentlemen, mandikhululele inkomo zenu. Let me release your cattle. Then, nangona, even though ndisiva kabuhlungu, even though I feel very sad, ndinqwenela, I would like ukuniqinisekisa, to assure you, ukuba lento thina bazali bomntwana. I want to assure you that we, the parents of the child, asazani nayo, we know nothing about it. Sendiya kwazisa namawethu, and I am now going to inform the elders. Kwedeni, boy, biza uNomaMpondomise phaya endlini. Call NomaMpondomise over there in the house. Akuba efikile uNomaMpondomise, and when NomaMpondomise gets there, ufakwa imibuzo. Questions get fired at her guyise by her father. And eventually, Amkulule, he allows her to chase out inkomo zikamcunukelwa. These are the questions. NomaMpondomise wazini ngala madoda. What do you know about these men? Andazi into. Nothing. Umgqibele nini umfana wakwaNozulu? When did you last see the Nozulu boy? Dimgqibele izolo. I saw him yesterday. Wathini kuye? And what did you say to him? Ndathi makeze kuthatha iinkomo zakhe. I told him to come and fetch his cattle. Loo nto uyenze ngomthetho kabani? And you did that with whose permission? Xwaka, silence. Uxelele bani phambi kokuba uyenze lento? And who did you tell before you did this? Umama. Wavuma unyoko. And did your mother agree? Hayi, undinqandile. She stopped me. She tried to stop me. Ke wena waqonda ukuba akanangqondo xa ekunqanda? And then you thought that akanangqondo, that she's being silly by trying to stop you. Xwaka, silence yet again. Kutheni ubungandixeleli nje? And why did you not tell me? Bendisoyika. I was afraid. Busoyika ndoni? What were you afraid of? Xwaka, silence yet again. Kulungile ke ntombam. All right then, my girl. Tata nansi intonga. Here is a stick. Uzikhuphe phandle. Chase them out. Uza kukhupha nemali yendleko. You are also going to cover the expenses, the indleko zaba bantu. Bantu bakwa noZulu, people of noZulu. Xolani zinkosi, I'm sorry. Relax. Hambani nenkomo zenu. Take your cattle. Go with your cattle. Ndidane kakhulu yilento. I'm very disappointed about what was done yenziwe ngulomntwana by this child. Sendizisola ngoku, and I curse myself for bringing up a daughter. Zikhuphe mntanam. Take them out, my child. The cattle, that is. Kodwa uyakundikhumbula ngenye imini. But you will remember me one day. I suppose it means you will be sorry one day. NomaMpondomise takes the stick and chases the cattle out.